What does mean the acronym MDSAP? This means Medical Device Single Audit Program. So let's dig on it. Hi, my name is Mounir El Azouzi, and today I will tell you what is MDSAP. Do you need MDSAP? Are you a manufacturer that is selling your products all over the world? And do you receive sometimes a notification from one country or the other to perform an audit within your organization? Yes? I don't think you like it. I think it creates a lot of problems or organizational problems. You have to stop what you are doing, you have to prepare for this audit, and maybe you have also to answer all those observations afterwards. If you are selling your products in Australia, Japan, Canada, Brazil, USA, then MDSAP is for you. Because though all those countries agreed together to create a single audit program, a medical device single audit program, MDSAP. What does it mean? It means that you will have only one auditor that will come to your organization, audit you, and each time a country like Australia or USA is asking to audit you, you just have to mention that you have an MDSAP. One problem maybe is that you have to comply with all the regulation from those countries. From Australia, the TGA, from FDA, the QSR 21 CFR Part 820, also the ISO 13485-2016. All those regulations, you have to comply to them so you can be MDSAP certified. Who can certify you for MDSAP? Some audit organizations were qualified or accredited to certify you for MDSAP. I created a link below on the show notes. You have just to look and to check if your organization is there. But this list is not maybe up to date, so you can also ask any organization if they are qualified for MDSAP. I hope this will help you. So, what is the flow of an MDSAP audit? There is an MDSAP model. So there is 5 fields to check. The first is management. The second is measurement, analysis and improvement. The third is design and development. The fourth is production and service controls. And the fifth is purchasing. But additionally, there is 2 activities that has to be checked. First, the device and facility registration of the products. And the second is medical device adverse events and advisory notice reporting. To help you, I just made a link also on the show notes regarding all the potential questions that you can have during this audit. So these are the questions related to all those 5 processes. I hope MDSAP has no more secrets for you. But if you have still some questions, don't hesitate to put some comments under the video. So it's the end. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget also to subscribe to my channel by pushing the subscribe button so then you can get notified for any new videos that are upcoming. So thank you very much and see you soon. Bye.